Weather can really shake things up for ants, influencing their behavior and activity in ways you might not expect. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities, and here are 7 key ways weather impacts ant behavior and activity levels. Number 1. Temperature effects. When temps climb between 70 to 90 degrees, 21 to 32 degrees, ants kick their activity into high gear, foraging more efficiently. But when it gets too hot, over 90 degrees, 32 degrees, many species slow down, often opting for nighttime adventures instead. Number 2. Moisture and rainfall. Rain makes ants more active since they need water to survive and food sources become easier to find. However, too much rain can flood their homes, pushing them indoors where they might become a nuisance. Number 3. Seasonal changes. Spring is like a wake-up call for ants as they emerge from dormancy, leading to a flurry of activity as they expand and set up new nests. Summer typically sees them at their busiest, while fall brings a slowdown as they prep for winter. Number 4. Behavioral adaptations. Ants are pros at adjusting their behavior based on the heat. In hotter climates, they shift their foraging to cooler times of the day, which is pretty clever because it helps them avoid the worst of the heat. Number 5. Nest structure modifications. Some ants even tweak their nests to handle the weather better. During hot summers, they might dig deeper tunnels or add insulation to keep the inside comfy for their colony. Number 6. Climate change impacts. Climate change is shaking up where ants can live. Rising temperatures allow some species to spread into new areas, which could mean you start seeing different types of ants around your home. Number 7. Weather prediction abilities. There's some talk that ants can sense weather changes before they happen. While science hasn't fully backed this up, many folks have noticed that ant activity tends to ramp up just before it rains. For more insights into how these factors play out in your home projects, check out our website at bighomeprojects.com.